Binibining Pilipinas Universe, Miss Cindy Gallardo. And Miss Binibining Pilipinas World, Miss Rufa Gutierrez.
Si Rupa muna. Oh, sino bang unang dapat?
Kahit sino, we'd like to call in.
The first one.
We would like to ask all of the girls, when and where are you going to present our country?
Okay, the first one.
First one, we have Cristina Esguerra.
No, I'm not going to represent our country because I'm a first runner.
Yeah, so in case something goes wrong, siya yung second.
Yung reserva, yung reserva. Okay. Congratulations, ha?
Yes, we have Janet.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Binibining Pilipinas Tourism. I'll be helping out the Department of Tourism in their activities.
Congratulations.
When and where is the pageant that you're going to attend?
No pageant.
Okay, congrats.
Si Sheila naman.
Sheila.
Hello, good afternoon. I'll be in Tokyo on October 17 to compete in the Miss International pageant.
We wish you the best of everything.
Thank you very much.
Okay, congrats also. Now,
good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. I'll be leaving the 26th of April. I'll be going to Mexico. The Miss Universe pageant will be held on the 21st of May.
okay, before you leave, siguro, we will prepare something here in GMA Super Show para pang good luck sa inyo, no?
Thank you.
Okay? Thank you very much and congratulations. And now, Rupa?
Yes, I'll be leaving naman po in November. I'll be going to London and South Africa.
Okay, good luck, Rupa.
Yes, Kuya John.
Huwag mong ibabago, ha?
Ay, hindi po.
Okay,
Mas
once again, lahat ng mga beauties, mga kaibigan, palapakan natin. And, of course, narito ang isang magandang awitin. May kinalaman ito sa isang pelikula. Ganun pa man, pasalubungan natin ng palakpakan si Marco Sison.